Hi, Namaste. I am Purnima, and this video is to officially announce you about my this YouTube channel. And yes, I would love to have your support on this new venture. And my current life update is like I'm currently working here in UAE as a teacher. So I would love to share some glimpses of UAE lifestyles, teacher lifestyles, and many more such kind of videos. And yes, my first video would be like what I ordered for my daughter's birthday, because her birthday is on this Sunday, September 7th. So I'd ordered something for her. So let's have a look on that. There is some item. I'm showing you one by one. I'll put it down first. Actually, this is a tent. I'll just show you the picture somewhere here. Okay, so this is a tent for her birthday, and many decorative items, balloons. I'll just these are some candles. Oh, some tulips. This is very good tulips. And with this, I ordered bath tube. Thank you. And then birthday banner. Birthday banner again. Balloons. Birthday banner. Some teddy and heart shaped balloon items. Actually, what I ordered. And these are the LED lights that I'll be putting on her tent. YouTube bow. See, I ordered it mistakenly. Like 2 times when I cut my eyes. So yeah. But anyway, it's cute. I'm keeping it. This is 2. This is very big. Hello. 2. And then yeah, these are okay. YouTube t-shirt. It's written my second birthday, and this is tulips clip. Actually, I thought it was a small tulip, but anyway, no problem. The reason why I ordered tulips flower, tulips clips and all, maybe उसको dress में अच्छा tulip birthday. But the dress is like something like this. Very simple. Yeah, tulips are. So I wanted to match with, like, that dress. So yeah, and यहाँ पे you can banner. This is also a birthday banner. It's written here, second birthday. And already this is V, letter V. V. Yes, V. Take your V. Again a birthday banner. Thank you. Actually, some of the item I had mistakenly put into the cart, twice. They can't really tell me to put some birthday banners. I put some birthday banners. And that's also now. Okay, that's all what I ordered for her. And the I'm going to purchase from hypermarkets and all. And the very happiest thing surprising thing actually many of the item I mistakenly twice cart ma halesu हैन the कतिवटा चीज after I received I thought like I no longer needed those things. So मैले के गरे मैले सबै most of the item I had put in the like return किनकि मलाई चाहिएन किनकि मेरोमा already last year को birthday banners हरु that I had not used. त्यही कारणले मैले सोचे कि I am going to use that banner only. But to my surprise, Nan hi girl. Hi. I love it. So, to my surprise, during the sidebar I ordered good. Actually, I ordered all this from Temu. So, Temu had given me almost 90 dirham ko item in free. Temu the site where I ordered all this from had given all the items for free, and they refunded me my money. and asked me to keep all this item for free. I was like, oh my god, I felt like the luckiest person on that day. And sapiche naniko like a gift from Temu banda huncha. So yeah, not only this, like I'll be showing you what I exactly got for free in Temu.